In this video, I'll detail how to disable or turn off speakerphone on iPhone 6. So if you have an iPhone 6 and whenever you have an incoming calls, your iPhone 6 automatically put the phone on speaker instead of automate the process and allow you to switch between speaker or normal mode or use your headset, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily disable iPhone speakerphone on iPhone 6. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do here is go to your iPhone settings, that's on your iPhone 6. Then scroll down and click on accessibility. Now once you selected accessibility, scroll down as well and click on touch. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page. Then there's a feature called call audio routing. Select that. If this is set to speaker, that is the iPhone 6 speakerphone here, you're going to receive all your incoming calls or make all outgoing call on speaker. Then to disable the iPhone speakerphone on your iPhone 6, just call me and choose automatic. Then you'll be able to switch between headset and then the speaker whenever you have an incoming call on your iPhone 6. So this is how you can easily turn off or disable iPhone speakerphone on iPhone 6. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.